Okay, so this is garter stitch. This is what happens when you slip as to purl the first stitch in the row. So here is as purl. You have the thread in front and you come up kind of behind, but it's not really behind this part of the stitch. And then you go on to knit. And that will make that really nice smooth edge. So before I learned that, I was just slipping the front stitch, the first stitch. And that I was doing as if to knit. I want to show you what the difference is. This is to knit. I have to take a couple stitches so that you can see. See the bump? This would be all bumps before. But now that I've learned how to do it with the purl, it's smooth. So let me do it one more time. Let's see. So as to purl, bring the yarn in front, go in endwise like that, pull it off, put this thread behind the needle and knit. So you do that all the way across. At the beginning of each row, you slip as to purl, and that gives you this nice even edge.